Good morning. I'm doing something that I've never done before once more. I feel like this series of videos should be Nzinga doing things that she's never done before because honestly, come to the understanding that these people on YouTube, these people who we watch every day, they do deliberate things to their um, home or their YouTube recording space to make it look aesthetically pleasing, right? And so, with that in mind, I set out to do the same. I don't think I'm ever gonna get to the levels that they get to though, because they are really top tier. Like the things they purchase, the lights they buy, that sort of thing. My YouTube will definitely have to take off a bit more for me to invest that kind of funds into getting that kind of look. But I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna do a beginner thing. All right, so I went to the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. Should no longer be called a Dollar Tree because they things cost up to $5 in the Dollar Tree these days, or more. So I bought some picture frames, just some simple picture frames. They're 8 by 10 picture frames, and I'm thinking of mounting them on the wall, but it's definitely not gonna be like this. I need some artwork in there to, you know, get that look that I'm looking for. I'm a really girly girl, kind of girl. I'm your girl's girl. I I'm everything feminine. So I'm looking for some artwork online to replace these stock images. After I'm done doing that, I'm gonna try to mount them and see how the look looks. So I am looking through the internet to see if I see anything that I like. I found a few watercolors that I liked, and so I was downloading them at this point and editing them on Canva. Right, I chose 3 pictures, and I think they are gonna go really nicely together. And here I am printing out my pictures. Right, I am now adding them to the frame, folding the edges instead of cutting them. I don't want anything crooked here. And I think everything is coming together nicely. All right, one down, 2 to go. All right, second one is in, and the final one is being done here. This is the Chanel watercolor. It has a little buzz to it. I could not resist. Alright, so I replaced the original stock images in the picture frames that I purchased at the dollar store. I believe my picture frames look a bit more glitzy, a little more girly girl, a little more, has a little more personality. You definitely could not have used the pictures that came in the original, in the picture frames. So I'm taking another trip back to the dollar store and possibly another store. I'm thinking, is it Marshall's? I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna see if I can find anything else to help elevate the space that I'm working with. I'm on the road. We had to make a quick stop at Starbucks to get this little girl something to eat. Yes, she ordered our little thing, and here we are going through the door. Come on, man, let's go, let's go, let's go over the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they might give it over there. All right, little miss. I pose for the camera now. Turn around and give me a little smell now. Hey, hello. Yes, you. Hey, you. All right, people, come, come, come. Let's go on into the Dollar Tree. Yes, they have their summer stuff out, but I need something for this little space I'm working with. All right, people, so I move the bedside table right here, so I just have to just go and try clean it off. The Dollar Tree, and I bought a few different things. I spent around $30 in the Dollar Tree. Here I am showing some of the things I purchased. People, I could not record in the dollar store. I spent forever and a day just to pick up these few little things you see here. Got a charger, I got flowers, potpourri, a vase, and some flowers. I got some chalkboard, paper, and a marker. That's basically all I got, and a stool. All right, so here I am setting up, putting my flowers in the vase. The vase is sitting in the charger. There's the potpourri. Oh, and some, what do you call those lights? Dinner lights? I don't remember what they're called. All right, so see, I'm setting up the look. I'm looking to see if it look good. All right, and I am doing a little crafting right here. All right, lovely people. Thank you for watching. If you watched this video to the end, this is the final look. And I just want to let you know that everything that you're seeing here was purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm sitting on a stool, and the stool I purchased it at the Dollar Tree for $5. The vase was $3, or yeah, I think it was $3 for the vase. Everything else was $1.25, and I just feel like the final look is really good. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. All right, so this is possibly how you'll be seeing me in the future, sitting right here talking to you. Hopefully I'll be able to bring to you some content, some more content like this that you are interested in watching. Guys, please feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know if you like what I did. If you have any tips, please share them. I am open to tips. All right. Thank you so much for watching my video once more. Have a great day.